asking you to find the wavelength, you need to somehow leave this variable alone. So how do we do it? If these two are multiplying, then the opposite of the multiplication is going to be, of a division is going to be a multiplication. So you're going to multiply your lambda, which is the wavelength, times your frequency, and that's going to be equal to the speed of light. But you don't want the speed of light, you want wavelength. So what do? One more step. If this one is multiplying, you're going to place it to the other side of the equation by doing the opposite, which in this case is dividing. So this is the equation that you need to find wavelength. Okay. Now, in the problem number 2, find the wavelength if you have a frequency of 10.87 times 10 to the 3 hertz. So what is your wavelength? So I'm gonna take this formula for wavelength and I'm gonna say, okay, so my wavelength is going to be equal to the speed of light divided by frequency. My speed of light is a given always, 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, divided by the frequency given in the problem, 10.87 times 10 to the 3 hertz. And again, what you're gonna do is just divide it. So I'm gonna take the calculator and I'm gonna plug in the speed of light. Again, that is a constant, 3 times 10 to the power of 8, and I'm going to divide by the frequency given, 10.87 times 10 to the power of 3. There you go. Click enter, and that is your wavelength. In this case, my wavelength is going to be equals to 2.76 meters. Okay, hold on a second. 2 times 10 meters.